Hi. It's regards to the 45 under 45 Global CEO Magazine Awards. It's really prestigious and I honored to receive this award. This is one of the biggest awards in Sri Lanka. So I'm very thankful to the judge board and the committee, as well as today we had a great full session of leadership in Toyota Lanka in Vattala. So it's privilege and we came to know how they worked and internationally. So it's very helpful for us to drive our company as well. So it's very meaningful and very thoughtful. So I'm wishing great wishes, and we have to do this much of so many things in coming future in Sri Lankan community. So thank you very much. Thanks.
Global CEO Magazine. Global CEO Magazine, inspiring excellence.